Hello guys, welcome back to another video series of Windows 10. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a taskbar Windows 10 like Windows 7. So now, click on taskbar, go to Cortana and uncheck show Cortana icon. Click on hide on. Now you see here there's no Cortana icon. Then uncheck show task view button. There's no task view button. Now go to taskbar settings, then click on turn system icons on or off, and now look for action center and turn off the action center. Now you see here there's no notification buttons. Okay, close the window. Now our taskbar Windows 10 is like Windows 7. So guys, I hope you enjoyed from this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video.